dum 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 doo dum dooby doo 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 dum softly dum dum dooby doo dum softly. All right, what we're looking at is a 1959 Westinghouse, and this is an alarm clock radio. It does have apparently the radium painted clock hands. So if you want radio, that's all you do. All right, here's the alarm. Like so. And then you can set your sleep like so.